We are doing a second version of
Jacob and Sons.
Jacob and Sons, just
Because the
last one failed. We had to start the whole song again. That really just freaking sucks. That video went bad.
So, yeah.
3, 2, 1. Way back many centuries ago, not long after the Bible began, Jacob lived in the land of Canaan, a fine example of a family man. Jacob and Sons, depending on farming to earn their keep. Jacob and Sons, spent all of his days in the fields with sheep. Jacob was the founder of a whole new nation, thanks to the number of children he had. His was known as Israel in time. His sons and wives used to call him Dad. Jacob and Sons, men of the soil and the sheep of the crook. Jacob and Sons, a remarkable family in anyone's book.
Reuben was the oldest of the children of Israel. Simeon and Levi, the next in line. Naphtali, Issachar, Asher and Dan. Zebulun and Gad, the old nine. Jacob and Sons. Benjamin, Judah, which leaves only one. Jacob and Sons. Joseph, Jacob's favourite son. Jacob and Sons. Jacob and Sons. Jacob and Sons. Jacob and Sons.
Jacob and Sons.
Yay!
I'm not doing Joseph's character again. Anyway. See ya. Please subscribe. Oh, we didn't say who was doing it. It was me, Scott Crusher Thompson, Cole Watkins 25.
Cole Watkins 25.
See ya.